Okay, so today you're going to be working on if statements. So watch this video to learn about the syntax of if, and go down to 4.4.7 teenagers and 4.4.8 meal planner. Also continue with this 4.4.9 practice, and it'll show you some pseudocode. When you're done with that, go to the Khan Academy, and under conditionals, there should be an assignment in Khan Academy, and you're going to, if you want to read these articles, you can. They're in JavaScript, which may confuse you, but it's a similar, very similar code. So if you want to read these to get more information, please do. But what I want you to do is try these 4 questions here, 4 questions here, and 4 questions here, okay? And get 3 out of 4 correct. After that's done, do the pseudocode lesson, which is quizzes. The link should be in Google Classroom for all of these. And you're just going to work your way through the lesson, and it's going to have questions that will pop up. Okay? So that should be today's lesson, and if there's any issues, just go on back to the video. And again, just the graded assignments are the teenagers and the meal planner, Khan Academy, and the pseudocode quizzes. I just want to quickly highlight some of the common things with if statements in code. So when we have, let's see if I can pick a color here, do yellow. So when you're writing an if, let's say if x greater than 12, and then print alright, and then you could do an else, I know I don't have an X declared, but I'm just trying to make a point here. So if this is true, it's going to print that. It will not do any of this code. Alright? It's only going to do one or the other. It's not going to do both with this else. And likewise, if this were false, so let me erase this. If this were false, it would not do this code, but it would do everything in the else. So it's just this if is this thing is true, then it's going to print this. But if it's false, it goes straight down to this else. Just skip over this. If this is false, it skips over this and goes straight to the else. Okay?